Hey, what's up, traders? This is Josh Tracy with Forex Cheat Codes. We're evaluating the upcoming fundamental news impact for this week. Looking at the upcoming calendar for the next 5 days, primarily with a tilt towards US30 and USD related pairs, but take this into consideration also for SPX, NAS100, and other indexes as well. All right, so let's get into it. First day of the week is going to be Monday, June 10th. As you can see here, no major red folder news at all. So this should be a relatively good day to trade. We are going to have a little bit of carryover from NFP from last Friday, which came out at 8:30 here on the 7th. So we may have some impact as that might carry over into Monday to some degree as some traders look to get back on the charts following NFP. There's always a little bit more volume that coming Monday to the traders taking or exiting positions from that particular day. But in general, no major news to speak of that's going to be impacting that day. Okay, so that's for Monday the 10th. Let's take a look at June 11th. Tuesday, June 11th. We do not have any red folder news at all. No major holidays. We do have just some yellow folder news here. So following the carryover from NFP on Monday, we should look to trust our technicals for Tuesday for the most part, so we should be good to go there. So trust your technicals there, both for Monday and Tuesday. Let's take a look at Wednesday as well, see if we have anything coming up. Looks like a lot of news coming in overall. As you can see, just the general quantity of news pieces. Relatively small Monday in general, picking up on Tuesday, and almost a full page worth here on Wednesday. Let's take a look at USD specific news. So we have core CPI coming in on Wednesday, which is massive in itself, and this is going to be a wild day. Look at this. We got CPI this day. We got federal funds rate. We have FOMC statements. These are all massive pieces of information coming in this day. This is a day that I'm not going to be trading for a number of reasons. 8:30 news impact. The market open is going to be extremely aggressive. 8:30 to 9:30, 9:30 carryover from CPI. Likely some consolidation after 12, and then once it actually hits 2 p.m., it's going to be extremely aggressive as well. So if you're a news trader and like to trade news, Wednesday is definitely going to be an amazing day for you. But if you're looking to take a more conservative approach, trust your technicals, flow from area to area like I do, I personally am staying far away from Wednesday. So if I have something else to do other than trade on Wednesday, that is when I'm going to be doing that, because this is going to be choppy. It's going to be extremely aggressive. One of these reasons, federal funds rate and FOMC statement is enough to stay off the charts. But when you've got two here, that's going to be huge as well. So as we just strictly type this up, this is going to be a little bit just a type up in itself here. So 8:30, talking through, we get 8:30 a.m. Do we have core CPI, 8:30 again. We've got CPI, both the monthly and the yearly. We'll just type it as CPI in general. Then 2 o'clock, we've got federal funds rate. Expect massive volume for that too at 2 p.m. Federal, so just copy and paste federal funds rate. Two p.m. Also FOMC economic projections. That's going to be huge. Okay. 2 p.m. again. FOMC statement. Busy day. Volume is going to be extreme towards the middle of the week here. 2:30 p.m. got FOMC press conference, so may see slight slightly aggressive volume here at 2 p.m. But by 2:30, this chart is going to really start picking up whatever USD related or impactful chart you're trading that does have carryover from USD is going to be pretty strong. US30 is going to be extremely aggressive. Starting at 2 p.m., we're starting at 8:30, picking up at 2, and then definitely after 2:30 again. Once we really figure out which way the charts are wanting to tip. Okay. And I would say that's it for that day, but that is a lot. So each one of these are massive pieces of data to take a look at and realize massive volumes coming each one of these times. Definitely need to have all these times marked on your charts. If you don't, you're going to see massive volume and not understand why. So definitely mark your 8:30, definitely mark your 2 p.m., definitely mark your 2:30 on the charts at whatever time frame you're trading. You can expect massive volume that day. This is a major reason why we're doing this. We really want to know when these type of days are going to be occurring, and either exit our positions or don't enter them. But either way, this needs to be part of our decision-making process in general. All right, let's get into Thursday. We can expect some additional carryover from the FOMC statements late in the day, as 9:30 traders do take advantage of that. So there's always a little bit of carryover for that, depending on what's going on. 8:30, we've got core PBI, which is a medium impact. From what I've been saying, is for US30, it's starting to pick up volume, it's starting to be a major red folder piece of news that initially was more minor for something like the NAS100. But I am seeing volume pick up on that overall. So if you're trading US30, definitely want to be aware of that. PPI is starting to be more of a major role. I don't think it's going to be in that CPI type caliber anytime soon, but it is enough to hit some stop losses and accelerate some take profits. There is decent volume there, so that would definitely be more in the medium range there. Outside unemployment claims right along with that. So consider a medium to aggressive movement there on Thursday at 8:30 as well. Nowhere near NFP caliber or CPI again, but definitely medium volume, especially on US30, USD. So that's going to be it. Some other mid-tier news here. Trader Secretary speaks. Your bone auction on orange folder news, so nothing major to be concerned about there. So I would consider trading Thursday, should not be a problem. Just really want to wait till probably the market open, maybe wait for a little bit extra volume to kick in before taking that. So maybe just wait just after the 9:30, taking any positions, and then you should be in the clear. But Wednesday, major day to look out for. Thursday, should pay attention to 8:30, but still should be a solid day to trade towards that second half of the morning there, following the 9:30 open. Let's take a look at Friday. Only piece of red folder news is going to be the preliminary UAM consumer sentiment. This is definitely going to be more of a minor piece of red folder news. I typically don't consider that a major piece of news in general, and actually relatively minor in general. So it is noteworthy to have it on the chart, but I'm not really worried about that. So definitely a decent day to trade there as well. So factoring technical moves along with the fundamentals, Monday should be a good day to trade. Just look out for that carryover from NFP on Friday into Monday. Tuesday should be a good day to trade. I personally would avoid Wednesday. This is 3 major pieces of news, just to reiterate again: CPI, federal funds rate, and FOMC statement. Yeah, that's going to be a wild day. So I would avoid that personally, but that's me. Thursday, PPI coming in, more medium volume, still a good day to trade. And then Friday, I wouldn't worry about this one at all. So Friday would be a good day to trade as well. So Monday looks good, Tuesday looks good, Wednesday I would avoid. Thursday, more of a caution flag there, and Friday should be good to go. So that's the upcoming analysis for this week, and we will be back next Sunday for analysis for the upcoming week as well. So Have a good week, guys, and good luck trading.